Hey everybody, this is the muscle testing demo. So it's just going to give you a little bit of an idea of how to do the sway method. So first of all, what you're going to do is make sure that your body's nice and hydrated. You're going to zip up. So that just means bringing your hand up through the center of your body from the root chakra to the crown chakra. It's just a way of I guess enclosing your energy to accurately test your energy and not any of the other energies around you. You're then going to face north, so that is going to help you align with the polarity of the planet so that you're actually, your body's going to move more easily, basically. So hydration, face north, you're going to test with your eyes closed. So that helps you get to the subconscious beliefs. When your eyes are open, you're testing more for conscious beliefs in general. What else? Okay, let's do it. So what I'm going to do is check to find out how my body is going to say yes to me and how my body is going to say no. So the way to do that is just to say yes, and my body moves forward, no. And my body moves back. It's a little slow there for a minute. Sometimes people might like to say something like, body show me yes. And the body shows me what yes is. Body show me no. Body shows me what no is. Okay, so I'm just getting a baseline. Now, occasionally some people will test in the opposite direction. Generally, there's some clearing work around that you can do. There might be a few blocks or a few imbalances, but as long as you're getting an accurate yes and an accurate no, that's all that matters at this point. So once you've got your yes and your no, then you're going to say the belief you want to test. So for example, I fear being a failure. No, that's a no for me. I am happy. That's a yes for me. Okay, so that's all it is. Basically test your yes, test your no, and then just test the beliefs that you want to check. And it's as simple as that.